Hey, it's Matthew here with Action News, and I'm in the Julington Creek Plantation area, just kind of canvassing the different neighborhoods to see what kind of damage that we've experienced so far with this very powerful, devastating, potentially catastrophic Hurricane Wilma or Irma or whatever her name is. It's catastrophic, and I came across something that's actually pretty disturbing. So if you have young children, please just put them in the bedroom, okay, just for this part. This is what I saw. Do you see this American flag? The wind must have picked up so much that it whipped the flag around, it looks like 2 times, and it's just hanging like this, just dripping. And I'm furious that the homeowner decided to leave this out here where it can be damaged. So I think I'm gonna knock on the door and ask the homeowner just what they were thinking. Come with me. Are you the homeowner?
Yeah.
Yeah? Can you tell me what the deal is with this American flag?
Rain.
Rain?
Yeah.
Why didn't you take it down?
It's dripping.
It is dripping.
Yeah.
You didn't have the foresight to take that flag down before this potentially catastrophic hurricane came through the area?
I didn't know it was going to.
It's a shame.
It looks wet.
Just look at that flag one more time, people. And just remember this. We will rebuild. Back to you, Ted, with Matt from Action News.